Hi, everybody. Welcome to our 2025 Advent celebration. We are so excited to be here. Every day we're going to post out a new video to watch. But if you want to craft along with the exact templates and digital papers that are featured in our crafts for the next 24 days, you can grab our Advent celebration pack. You can find the link in the description below. All right, so let's get on to crafting.
In this project, we're simply going to be making a banner with these beautiful little snowmen, and it's so easy to do. You're going to need a break from complicated things to something so nice and simple. So you will have an upload, and you will end up getting 6 different snowmen. So what you have to do with that, each of one comes all on its own. So what you want to do is make sure that there is a little bit of an offset on each one, and then what you have to do is duplicate each one and flip it horizontally so you get the opposite going. For example, I will line these up for you. One goes one way, one goes the other. Here's our little top hat guy. And here he is going the other way. The same with this one, top and bottom. Let me just scoot these little guys over a bit. So we have a couple more here, each facing a different way. Remember, you must make sure there is an offset so you don't get too many little ins and outs. You do need to take it apart, and then of course all you're going to do is go through here with the print and cut. You're going to find a couple that says low resolution, but they're all the same resolution, so you're not going to have an issue with it whatsoever. So what you need to do is print then cut and get rid of these off on your printer. Not get rid of them, but print them out on your printer so that you have one of each kind. So once you've got those all printed out so that you have one facing one way, one the other for each design, then we will go over to the demo table and start putting your banner together. All right, here we are. I have put one of the banners together already, and as you can see, it's really simple. They are back to back and a piece of string in between, or you can use ribbon. Let me just put that off to the side. Underneath here, I have all of my snowmen already cut out. Now, the biggest thing is you're going to have to move these so that they are back to back. First of all, I don't want you to glue the top part, so we're going to leave that alone. But what you want to do with your glue is go through and just add a tad of glue just around the bottom and part of the hands, and just glue them together that way. That's the first thing you're going to do. We'll just do these one at a time. There's my 2 green ones back to back, and the reason they're back to back because you want your banner to face both ways. So I don't want the top, but we do want to get in on the bottom here, so I'm just going to lift that up a bit and just glue in through here. Just want to make sure everything lines up. So we've got 2 done. Here's our next guy. Once again, nothing at the top, just at the bottom, and perhaps this one hand down on this side because he's got his other hand up in the air, and that's where we're going to need to put the string. So let's just get those bottom pieces together and just get them all fitting into place here. All right, once again, just a little bit of glue on the hands, a little bit at the bottom. You don't need a ton of glue with these. I cut mine out of a medium cardstock, made it extremely easy. Oh, antlers at the top. He's so cute. All right, I like making these little banners. This is something it's quite easy. And of course, everybody loves a snowman. Get my glue inside here. Once the bottoms are glued together, it's much easier to start threading the string in between. It should fit in top there. There we go. All right, one more. Perfect. Now we are ready to start putting that string in place. I have a piece of red string that I want here. Now you can make as many as you want. I'm just going to start with leaving an end about like this. So let's just see how far we want to go here. Maybe I'll leave bigger end and get all 6 within a small frame. What I'm trying to do is just center this up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to place these first so I can decide which ones are going to work on which end and then put them into place. See how close together you want them. So I've got 2 of these guys here. There we go. I can just place this one over a little bit. They all look very similar to me. Looks like I have 2 of the one, but I could add an extra one if I wanted. So that gives me all 6. I'm going to spread them out a bit, and you won't be able to see some of them, but I just want to get an idea of the spacing that I want. And if the spacing fits, let me get this guy out of the way. So I just want to make sure this looks approximately the same. I'm going to start with this middle guy. So what's going to happen here is I am going to place all kinds of glue right at the edge here, and I'm just going to put him into place and then just glue him down. And now I've got work with my spacing a little easier. That looks right about right. Let's do this one next. So this one's going to have coming through the ears, so just get the spacing the way I want it. And approximately straight, and then glue those ears down. And I've got one spaced right about here. Okay, so let me just pull this along. So I've got 2 more over here, but I want to try and keep it approximately the same spacing. So let me just pull this over a little bit. And I'm going to add my glue here. And yeah, a little bit right about there. Let's pull it a little further. Okay, that looks pretty good there. Now let's pull this along because I know we've got 1 more to go on the other side. And then we're going to add glue. Let's get that spacing. This is all by eyeball. You can actually measure your spacing if you wanted to. Just cover up my glue here. I have an extra one that I could put on there as long as I don't have any extra space here. Let me just grab this. As you can see, I've got all 6. Now all I need to do is string this up, and it makes a cute little banner. Now I know you can't quite see it, but this is the banner that it's just snowmen working along, so you could create one that's a lot longer and just keep reprinting a lot of your little snowmen in order to put it into place. So I hope you have a lot of fun with this one, and I hope you're really enjoying this Advent celebration.